Hey guys, I am pretty much gotten ready for my first feature film to be premiered at Studio Movie Grill Plano. This is my outfit and got it in Ross. Sometimes you get the best deal in some affordable store and it really looks really good, and I like my hair thanks to Elevate Hair Place by my friend Nancy, and she really did a great job. I'm just putting it out loud if you want to go check out Lamont Avenue, Dallas. And then this is my first faith-based feature film. You gotta check it out. It's called Just Believe Chapter 1, and it might be streamlined soon in some of the popular platforms.